so it's Jonathan, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the table software in KolibriOS. So basically the table software is a very simple and easy to use spreadsheet software that is pre-installed on KolibriOS, and is going to be a wonderful tool if you guys actually need to write up spreadsheets. Okay, let's get started right now. So to open up the software, click onto App Plus. Once I've done that, it should show up to KolibriOS additional software. Click onto table and you should see an interface like this. Now it does contain data in cells. So for example, A1 is a cell. If I click onto C2, then this is also another cell. And finally, if I go to E2, then there will be another cell over here. And you guys can use the scroll bar to move up. As you guys can see, move to the right and we can move to the left. We can move up and we can move down by using the scroll bar. Okay, let's get started. So go to B3, and then once you clicked onto B3, just type down what you want the table to contain. So I'm going to be putting down name, because this is what I want the table to contain. And now I'm going to go to C3, I can put the product, and now for D3, I'm going to put down price. Okay, so for name, I'm going to put this one as Jonathan Ryan. Press on the Enter key to submit it, and you can make cell be bigger by just dragging it like this with the mouse. Okay, so once I made it bigger, I can now see the data a lot better. I'm going to go to product, and now I'm going to give him a product that he has bought. So I'm going to give him an apple. So for one apple I can buy, which is actually the fruit apple, then I will charge him around $200 for an apple. Now I'm going to go on to the second data, and now I'm going to give him the name of age, because I don't know, this is a cool name to me. Now I'm going to put down frogs, so she bought frogs, and her price is $500. I'm going to go on to the third one, and I'm going to give him the name of Andy. And now I'm going to give him the product of hippos. And now for hippos will actually cost around $600, as you guys can see. So basically, Jonathan Ryan has bought an apple, it costed him $200. For Paige, she bought frogs and it costed her $500. And Andy has bought hippos and that costed him $600. So yeah, from here you'll be able to read the data like this. Now I'm going to be adding in the total cost by doing total cost. So I'm going to be adding up the total cost from this table. So I'm going to be adding up 200, 500 and 600 altogether to find out how much altogether that they owe me. Okay, so for total cost I will do is equals to D4 all the way to D6. So D4 plus D6, D5 plus D6, and now press on the Enter key, and now we should see the total cost like this. Well, guys are wondering why I haven't added the dollar signs. It's because I had some issues with actually adding up the total with dollars, so this is why I was unable to do that. But without the dollars, it does work fine when you do this sort of working out, as you guys can see. Okay, so now we'll actually be able to save the actual document by going to file name and now give it a name. So for example, we can call it Andy shop. Now click on to save, and now as you guys can see, file is now saved. And you guys can also click on to load, and then from here be able to load up which spreadsheet software we want to use. So yeah, this is how you guys will be able to use the software called Table. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.